What's going on, guys? Gaby Kemsey here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you exactly how to build a custom capture page or opt-in page, whatever you want to call it. So this video is going to be a quick tutorial. It's going to be simple and easy, so if you're a beginner, this especially is going to be helpful for you. I'm also going to show you the software that you're going to need, which is ClickFunnels, how you can get that for free, and also how you can get that at a really great discount. So stay tuned, let's dive right into it.
Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to do is log into ClickFunnels. Now if you don't know what ClickFunnels is, or you don't already have ClickFunnels, ClickFunnels is a software that allows you to build lead capture pages super easy online. It takes like literally 5 minutes if you know what you're doing. And if you don't already have ClickFunnels, what you can do is down in the description below there's a link. Click that link and you can sign up with ClickFunnels there. And the first 14 days are free. And after that, you're only going to pay $19 for ClickFunnels instead of the regular $97, because that's my share code. And the best part about using that link is you're actually going to get one of my funnels that's already built for you. So the hard work is done for you. The only thing you have to do is go in there and change things up. So if you're new to ClickFunnels and you don't have it already, go ahead and get it through that link so that you can follow the rest of this video. If you already have ClickFunnels, I believe you can still use that share code as well, either just to get my funnel, but be careful doing that because you might have to create a new account, and I don't know how many funnels you might have right now, and that could be a mess. What I'm going to do here is, if you click that link and get my funnel, you're going to be getting this funnel right here. And just to give you a preview of this funnel, this right here is just a simple lead capture page. It has the headline, it has a button. When you click the button, it opens up a place where you can put your email address. I'm going to show you how to change and edit all of this stuff. Now, what's cool about this funnel is if you use the link below, there's also a little additional bonus, and that is this variation page right here. Now, the important thing about funnels is testing, and I'll talk a lot about that later, and experimenting. But if you use this funnel, you're also going to get access to this opt-in page. Now, this is a different opt-in page, but it's very high converting, and it's the same concept. I mean, you have the headline and stuff. The only difference here is instead of having a pop-up button where another separate window pops up and they put in the email address, it's right there embedded for them. So this is also another option that you can use, and you can edit 2 pages, test them out, experiment for yourself, and figure out which ones are working. And you can split test it starting right here. You can just hit start split test, and you can actually determine how much traffic goes to each one of these funnels, so you can figure out which opt-in page is going to work best for you. Now, the thank you page, after people put in their email address, it's going to bring them to a thank you page. Now, this particular thank you page is really cool because it's a video thank you page. So you can play a video here that's thanking them for coming into your funnel, and it actually converts very well. Video does, because people like to see video. And then when they click this button, it forwards them to where you really want them to go. So let's go back here and I can show you how to actually edit and change up this funnel. So anything here that you see that's highlighting, you can edit, including the background. So I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. First, let's start with the background. All you do is go to settings, go to background. And here, this is where you can change the image, you can change the color, and you can change the fit and the style of it. So let's say, for example, you don't like this image. I don't know why not, but but let's say you wanted to use something that's a little more generic, something that's more specific to you. What you can do is you can either upload an image right here by clicking upload, and upload an image from your file, from your computer, and then add image. Or you can go to search. Now in search, you can actually search different topics and different items that you think would be nice. So let's say you wanted a beach. You could just type in beach, and voila, a bunch of really nice pictures that you can use for a beach. So let's take one of these to use. Let's use this one. So all you do is click it, select add image, and boom, easy as that. Already looking good. Now all you have to do is come here and change the headline. So let's say I didn't want this, and you want to say you were in the travel industry. You could say something like, want to learn how to quit your job and travel the world. So you want something catchy, something that people are gonna be, curious about. Want to learn how you can quit your job and travel the world? Who wouldn't, right? So that's a good start right there. And so then your sub headline, you can change this, or if you don't want it, you can completely take it out. So if you wanted to change it, you would change it to something that kind of refers to your headline. So it could be like, discover how regular people are living their best lives. Right there. Boom. Now, if you don't want this at all, you could actually delete this right here. hit the delete button and actually delete it. If you want to change this space, like between these two boxes, you can just hit this box, hit settings, and right here, the top margin, you can change it just like that. Now, the font you can change here, change the font. You can change it to whatever font you like. You can change the font size here. You can change the text color here. All these things just can change any of the elements here. So I recommend playing around with it, seeing what you like, seeing what you don't like. Now, the next thing is the button. So the button you can change exactly the same way. You can click it, and this is all the things that you can change. You can change the space between it. You can change the font size. This is where you can change what the font says. So you can say something like, show me how. Oops. Show me how. Um, and so from there, you can just kind of play around with these elements here and figure out exactly what you want to say, exactly what you want to do. If maybe you want to change the color, you can change to like a blue instead. Maybe that goes better with the background. You kind of play around, and this is where the testing, experimenting comes in. Remember, when you're building a funnel, you're not trying to go for perfection. You want to have the mindset of building funnels so you can test them, because your first funnel might not work, your fifth funnel might not work. So you want to constantly test and tweak different things, different elements, different headlines, different picture buttons, different sayings, different backgrounds, and find out what really converts best for you. So the next important part is your button and what that button does, and you can change that by clicking here, the set action button. So what do you want people to do when they click that button? They can open the pop-up page where they can put in their email address, their name, or they can go to the website that you'd like, or they could go to the next step of the funnel. And all these things are just different actions that you can do once the person clicks the button. So for me, I have it set up to open the pop-up bar. Okay, so let's talk about the thank you page. Now, this particular thank you page, like I mentioned earlier, is a video thank you page, which is super great. You could just shoot a short video that explains, why you're creating the funnel, and thanking them for coming through, and giving them the next steps. So in order to upload a video, you can just click it here. My video is uploaded to YouTube, which I believe is the easiest. And then you can just copy the YouTube URL here, and it's going to send them to the YouTube page when they actually open this up. Now, the same thing applies here, guys. If you want to change any of this stuff, you just hit settings. There's all the settings. You can change the font, the color. If you just want to change it, you can just double click it, highlight it, and change it. Take it right here and change it. All these elements here you can take out if you don't like them. You can, by hitting the delete button. So let's say I don't like this section right here. I don't like this section right here. Just hit delete. Okay, boom, and it's gone. Delete. Okay, let's say I don't like this one here. It's gone right there. And then you can even delete this whole frame or whatever. And then the same thing with the buttons. Same thing. The same directions as the first one. Now the action, you want them to go to this one here. I have them go into a website. See, before it was a pop-up bar so that I could get their email address. Now I have them going to a website, and this is a website that I have them going to, but it doesn't really matter which website it is. It's just whatever you want them to go to. It could be a sales page, it could be to your blog, whatever the purpose of you creating this funnel is. Now, let's say you don't like this video and you want to actually just create another, you just want to say thank you, right? What you can do is you can actually delete this. And this right here, this right here, see this little plus sign? It says add new row. That's where you would click to add a new section right below this section right here. So you click add new, and you can pick different columns. I would pick one column to start off with, but depending on what you want to do. But I want to keep this training very basic. So you can click one column. Now in this column, what do you want in it? When you add new element, these are all the different things you can have. You could add a headline, and then maybe you can, edit it and say, thank you for signing up, right? That could be your headline. Or say you didn't want a headline. Let's just delete this here. Maybe you want an image. So you go down here, you can add an image. And then when you double click this here, or you go to settings, this is where you could upload the image right here. Let's say you wanted a video, like, oh, you know what? Actually, I do want a video. Same thing, add row, one column, add new element, video. See how easy this is, guys? It's just drag and drop, literally. And you don't want a video. Let's say you want both a headline and a video, right? You're trying to get fancy here. So add new element, headline. You can say something like, thanks for watching. Now watch this video, right? And then same concept. You go here and you hit the plus, add new row, and the new row is always going to add below the below what you are currently on. So if I were to add a new row here, it would pop up right under the button. See how that popped up under the button? So let's delete that here. So let's say you wanted to add a video below this. You just add new row, one column, add new element, video. So you see how like versatile that is, guys? You can play around and do so much with ClickFunnels. It's literally amazing, and it's just so easy. It's just simple to use. Now, the same ways that I'm doing this right now is the same ways you can build your first page, your opt-in funnel. But if you don't want to go through all that work of building the opt-in funnel, you can just use the link down below in the description, click that link, and that funnel is already built for you, and all you have to do is drag and drop and change it to exactly how you want. So alright guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys got some value from it. I hope it was helpful. Don't want to make it too long because you could be on hours here talking about ClickFunnels and how to make funnels, but I hope this was just quick and easy, especially for beginners, so you kind of understand the best way to do this. Now, if you got value from this video, I also recommend that you download my free ebook. Just click the link down below and fill out the information, and I'll send you this free ebook that's going to teach you exactly how to build a successful, thriving online business as a beginner. And now this is just shows you all the necessary things that you need to be doing, the relevant things that you need to be doing in order to build an online business. And it can also show you how you can earn high ticket commissions. So if you're already promoting stuff, if you're an affiliate marketer or internet marketer, and you're already promoting products online, that's awesome. But if you have top tier products that can allow you to make commissions of up to 1,000, 3,000, 5,000, even $10,000, and you don't have to do any of the selling yourself, you definitely want to check out this ebook because so many people are doing it, and I believe this is one of the best ways to actually build an online business, so you can have that option in your arsenal. So check that ebook out, guys. Now, if you thought this video was valuable, please like this video, share it with others, share it with your team members, share it also with people that you think would benefit, and also don't forget to subscribe to my page. I'll be bringing you more tips and tricks on how to be a boss entrepreneur and a beast in life, and I will catch you guys on the next video.